Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I bring 3 amazing and new tricks for WhatsApp user, and trust me, you will surely like it because these are totally new and will gonna surprise you. So without wasting any time, let's get started here. Now the first trick which I have, with this you will come to know to whom you have chatted a lot in the last few days. Let me show you. Simply just go to the WhatsApp, click on the 3 lines, click on the setting, and in the setting you have to just click on this storage and data. Click on that, and here you will be getting an option of manage storage. So click on this one and you will be getting all the photos, videos and the contact list to whom you chatted on WhatsApp last previous days. So here on the top you will see that how much data you have transferred on WhatsApp as well. See this 5.6 GB out of 12 GB I have transferred on my WhatsApp. Now on the bottom you will be getting some names. This is the first name, that's a Angela YouTube. That is 3.4 gigabyte data I have transferred with the chat on this person, and then the second one, and then the third one. You can check the data. You can able to come to know to whom you have chatted a lot last few days with their data uses. Right, you can see that how much data you have shared with the other person. That means you have chatted a lot with that person by transferring the media, by transferring the chat, by transferring the photos, like all these things you have done with that person in the last few days. So this is the trick. You can check it in your phone as well right away. Now let's talk about the second trick, and the second trick is really amazing and very useful. Go to the WhatsApp, and here in your WhatsApp profile you want able to set a big photo. Let me show you what kind of big photo I'm talking about. Like this photo, see this is the big family photo which I have taken here from internet. Now if I try to set this photo here on this WhatsApp profile by scratching this one, I won't able to do it because some people are going out of the frame. So how I can able to set it on my WhatsApp profile? So there is a trick. Simply you have to come on to this application, and here you have to click on this gallery, and from your gallery you have to select the same photo like this, and the frame of this application is very big, so you can scratch the frame here like this and click on the save on the right side of the top like this, and then you will be getting an option on the bottom that's WhatsApp. But now you can check this one, the frame is full, like all the people are coming in the frame, nobody is going out. So I click on this WhatsApp, it will directly take me to the WhatsApp profile photo where I have to set my photo. And here you can see this one, everybody is coming in the frame now, nobody is going out from the frame. I can simply just adjust this one, and then I click on this done. The moment I click on done, this photo is set on my WhatsApp profile immediately. Yes, see this, everybody is there in my WhatsApp profile. A big family photo can be set on WhatsApp profile. It doesn't matter how big that is. So try that application, that is really amazing. And the name of the application is WhatsCrop Set the Full Size. Yes, this is the application. Link you will be getting in the description. You can check it from there. Let's talk about the third application, and the third application is very useful and very interesting as well, because this will help you to stop your WhatsApp for some time if you are getting busy. Yeah, let me just show you how you can able to do it. Simply you have to open that application, and it will be open up like this. Simply click on this pause it, and the moment you click on this pause it, you will be getting the application to whom you want to pause. Like you won't be getting the notification from these applications. These applications will get paused if you are going for any meeting, if you are going to meet someone, you're going at a place where you don't want to receive any messages on WhatsApp, Facebook, anywhere. Simply select it from here, turn on the application like this, and click OK, and your WhatsApp is up and running right now. You won't able to send any message to anyone. Let me show you. If I try to send any message on WhatsApp like this, see this, the message is not going because my internet is working, Wi-Fi is working, everything is okay, but my messages are not going on WhatsApp, and I won't able to receive it as well in the same way. So that is an amazing thing on WhatsApp. It will get paused. Not only the WhatsApp, Facebook can pause, Instagram can pause, no notification, no messages going and coming in the phone. So what is the application which will really helps you in this way? The application name is Pause It, Status Saver and Tools. Amazing application. You must check this one and install it right away in your phone. Link of both the application I have already given in the description. Check it right away. Any question, comment below. We will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.